Hi, my name is Mohammed Shahbaz. I'm an IT professional and I have a solid IT background. I have Microsoft, VMware, Citrix and SCCM certification. One of my friend referred me to take some training and courses from NetSoft. I took 10 plus training with NetSoft. The quality of NetSoft trainings are very good. The NetSoft is different with the other institute because of long hours of trainings and quality of their trainings. NetSoft training, they are well qualified and they know they have full knowledge about the product. The trainers motivated me and provided a training that is understandable and quite more knowledgeable. The pros for me, the quality of the trainings are very good. For me, there is no cons. Most of my colleagues, they got jobs after getting training from NetSoft. More than 40 hours per week. NetSoft helped to prepare resume and interview. I got more confidence after getting training from NetSoft. The hire me is the most interesting part of the whole training because it goes through the whole process of interview. The NetSoft trainings are very good and the trainers are very knowledgeable and qualified and make sure that everyone in the class are on the same level. Join NetSoft for their quality of trainings. Even you don't have IT background, they will help you and take it to the next level.